Solity GA-60BK, Emmanuel. Change user password. Remove back casing. Press the registration button. Key in your new user password, followed by the star sign. Your new master PIN code has been successfully registered. Add fingerprint. Remove back casing. Press the registration button. Place your finger at the sensor for 3 times. Your fingerprint has been successfully registered. Delete fingerprints. Remove back casing. Press the registration button. Press 9. Press and hold the hash sign. Your fingerprints has been successfully deleted. Add card. Remove back casing. Press the registration button. Tap the card on the keypad. Your card has been successfully registered. Delete cards. Remove back casing. Press the registration button. Press 8 to delete cards. Press and hold the hash sign. All cards has been successfully deleted. Set up Bluetooth. Go to Google Play Store or Apple Store. To download the Smart Solity app, press the plus button on the bottom left-hand corner. To add your digital door lock, name your digital door lock on your app. Place your phone near the digital door lock and allow some time for it to detect it. Your digital door lock has successfully been connected. For more information, call us at 6966-6788 or visit our Experience Center today.
Undigital Lock, your key to a perfect home.